Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech and thanks for being here. Today we are talking about Lusha. This is a popular tool used to find people's contact detail and email, phone number and this kind of thing. So it mainly used for sales or outreach. And we are asking the big question in 2025, is the data accurate? I will give you the latest information and don't forget to look the description for official link or any updated information. So Lusha is best known for being simple to use. You click on a profile on LinkedIn or a website and it pops up with contact detail. Many users say it set prospective faster. A lot of people say yes, the information is accurate most of the time, especially when it's about the well-known companies or people in the common industries. So for this, it works really well and improves outreach success, but it's not perfect. Some users report that in niche or smaller industries, the data can be missing or outdated. Phone numbers may not work or email bounce, so you have to double check. Another issue people mention is that credit system. You get a certain number of credit to view contact details and this can run out very fast. So if you are working with a lot of lead, it adds up and you have to watch spending. Overall, reviews are mixed but generally positive. Many users says that this tool is very easy to use and it helps them to avoid wasted time. Many people says that it's accurate enough to build perspective list quickly. So in short, Lusha is a strong tool for speeding up B2B contact discovery with mostly accurate data in common industries. But you should always verify the information and be careful with credit uses, especially if your leads are in niche segment. And it's great for entry level tool for many teams, but it's not a standout magic solution. So it has a free plan, but if you want more feature and more credit, then you have to buy the paid plan. And the paid plan start at the $22 for a single month. So now I hope you understand, is it accurate or not. The review are mixed but mostly are positive. So I hope now you understand, and this was the video for today. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to check the description and like this video, subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.